good, everybody? You guys can see we got a Liberty Walk Aventador behind us. Man, that thing is nasty. The Monster's V12, and plus it even shoots flames. We're gonna check that out today. Right now we're in our private location, close off, fresh highway, somewhere on the 407. And tonight it's gonna be epic. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, this Liberty Walk Aventador, as you can see, is sick. As a Roseau Mars. Correct me if I'm not saying that, if I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but one of my all-time favorite Lamborghini colors. We're gonna check. We're gonna go over by this beast. We're gonna show you some cool things about it, things that I remember about it, and the cool story that bought this car. So we got here. This is like the city's very first Liberty Walk Aventador. I don't know if it's the very first one in Canada, but it is the first one in Ontario, and it's sick as fuck. We did a wicked drive from all the way from the 404 Steels to the secret location somewhere on the 407, and it was a wicked drive. Keeping up with the big boy SUV, which you guys will see later on, was epic. We even topped out the speed. I don't even know what the speed on, but we topped it out. So right now, this car has a story, if I'm not mistaken. This was two Lamborghinis put together where they crashed, and he did some crazy Frankenstein project, and he did a beautiful thing. You guys can see, man. It's nasty, guys. Like every time I see his Lamborghini, I would love to purchase one myself and do a Liberty Walk kit on it, and just to blow everything away. It's so fucking cool, guys. And it has that cool carbon fiber hoodie you guys can see on it. It's really, really cool. The angle, especially that you guys see the side profile.